Yes, mga Silingan, Kapitbahay, Neighborhood, I am Riri Cabrera, ang totoong Raul, and welcome to the house construction week update. In this video, it's just gonna be a quick update about how this week went, kung ano yung mga dinagdag nila sa bubong, kasi nga our workers is now currently working with the roof system of the house. I really thought that I am able to upload a vlog episode this week, which is the vlog episode number 11, but then I am not, because next week pa pala ikakabit yung long span. Magkakabit pa pala ng mga fascia board, whatever it is, yung fascia board, mga larger version of the Purlins. Yeah. And installing this kind of Purlins on the edges of the tubulars in the Purlins are like not an easy task to complete, kasi nakakatakot din. Even me, kahit nanonood lang ako, it's a bit of risky. It could end you in a minute kung magkakamali ka ng step or hindi ka ganun nag-iingat. After attaching this steel as a fascia board, they have to weld it, and it's not just they have to weld it, they have to place the fascia board, these steel Purlins, in a correct way, in a proper way, and right position, just to make sure that everything is accurate. I'm so sorry if I wasn't able to cover like in the upper part of basang-basa of the roofing system, kasi nga scary siya, and my sister doesn't want me to go up there, kumatong doon, kasi nga we can never tell kung ano mangyayari mo. Yung bigla akong madulas dahil naka-jack pa ako. That's why I capture videos, nasa baba lang ako, and sometimes sumakyat ng pasimple, pero I always make sure to take some precautions para safety. So I'm just gonna give you some clip na lang din about the procedures of the installation, and yeah. So, I'm so sorry if you see my shirt getting wet, because I sweat a lot and it's really hot because, you know, nandito kaya ako, yun. Nandito ako sa ibabaw. Ako, pasok na naman yung mukha mo, bayot ka. First and foremost, as mentioned in my previous vlog episode, it is necessary to coat the welded areas with epoxy primer to prevent rusting. And this is part of the video where Tatay George is constructing some Purlins that will be attached to the rafters. And by the way, the required length for our roof was approximately 12.77 meters, which is why Tatay George combined the two Purlins to make it longer. So yeah. By the way, iba rin yung size, the measurement of the Purlins that will be attached dito sa may overlap areas of the house, dito sa may kitchen, kasi mas mahaba yun. And this is the clip where they are about to transfer the Purlins into the rafter sa may roof. Yan siya. And they are carefully transferring this kasi nga delikado din, and it's a bit risky. If they step into the wrong area, they might fall. And yeah, ito naman sila Kuya Opling and si Kuya Nyong. They are also transferring the additional Purlins that made by Tatay Georgie. So by the way, hindi ko pala nabanggit doon sa yung sa mga previous vlog episode ko. Yung tawag pala dito the term of that is the clit. C-L-E-A-T. Clit. These Purlins will then be placed onto the rafters with clits whose main function is to prevent the purlins from tilting, and they will be welded as usual after being placed on their specific areas. Yan yun siya. Yan yung sample ng ginagawa ni Kia Opling. Wini-weld yun na. And this is how it looks like after being welded. And this is the clip after they completed attaching the rafters and the purlins. Yan siya, corner to corner. Last week, our workers have already installed these steels as fascia board, and according to Tatay Joji, the main purpose of the fascia board is to keep the moisture from entering the roof and the interior, and it also improves the overall appearance of the roof and gives the edge of the roof as a finished appearance. And we used 2x6 Purlins as fascia board in this stage of the process, and this procedure was also manually attached by the workers, which is why it is somewhat risky, and yeah, but they always take precautions to avoid work-related injuries. And this is the area of the living room. Ayan. Sa labas ng living room, whereas they attach these steels and siya, and after that they're going to weld it to secure. Yan. I don't do my eyebrows. I don't care with my looks anymore. And that's it, mga Silingan Kapitbahay Neighborhood. Thank you so much for watching. And again, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and see you again on the next vlog. By the way, next week mag-upload ako ng video for vlog episode number 11, so you guys are able to witness how they attach the long span as a roof of the house. Yeah. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And yes, see you again. Ngayon pa lumilim, papatapos na ako. Baby, ko si Kulot.